I found the easiest way to make money online with your phone. Proof. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities for making money online, whether your goal is financial independence or some additional cash. You've arrived at the ideal location. Here is a list of 5 strategies that you can use to turn your online goals into a source of revenue. Let's now determine what best fits your needs and availability. Number 5. Become an e-tutor. Potential revenue. Online tutors typically charge $18.30 per hour. Working from home and online tutoring became essential during the pandemic, and many educators began using video conferencing programs like Meet, Zoom, and TrueConf to communicate with their scholars. This has created a new avenue for mentors and teachers to provide training and tutoring. For that reason, if you are an authority in an area, why not share your knowledge with others? Find your hen with the golden eggs and prepare to impart your knowledge to eager pupils in a variety of subjects, including algebra, foreign languages, and writing. Because you are working directly with people, you should approach this job with greater diligence. To meet the demands of your pupils, prepare your classes in advance. If you're thinking about doing online tutoring, check out these helpful platforms. Job boards. Check for job advertisements on Indeed and Craigslist, among other websites. Tutor.com. Tutors receive a fixed hourly wage along with bonuses for providing exceptional instruction. Care.com. A variety of gigs, including tutoring and childcare, are available. Requirements for tutors vary depending on the platform. Some need graduate degrees or prior teaching experience. Read the guidelines carefully, since most ask you to complete an assessment before accepting you. Number 4. Develop into an influencer. Potential revenue. Depending on a variety of conditions, micro-influencers with 10 to 50,000 followers may earn between $40,000 and $100,000 a year. The following are some steps you may take to begin making money from content creation on websites like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch through sponsorships, adverts, and other monetization methods. Select your specialty. Choose a subject or field of expertise that you are informed and enthusiastic about. This might be anything from a niche market, like banking or culinary, to a particular kind of material, like videos or blog entries. Advance your abilities. Focus on enhancing your abilities in writing, photography, videography, or other areas of content creation. If you want to develop your talents and acquire new methods, think about enrolling in classes or workshops. Build your audience. Begin producing materials and posting them on social media sites like YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your content with their networks. Monetize your content. After you've gained a sizable audience, begin promoting your content with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, advertising, and product sales, among other strategies. Build a portfolio. To highlight your abilities and draw in new business or prospects, compile a portfolio of your work. Think about developing your portfolio on websites like Behance, Dribbble, or Contently. Network with others in your industry. Connect with other content creators and industry experts to extend your network and learn from others. Join professional organizations, take part in online forums, and attend conferences and events. Remain up to date. To make sure your material is still current and interesting to your audience, keep up with the most recent trends and strategies in your industry. Number 3. Selling products online. Revenue potential. It depends on the product you sell and its quality. So, how can you begin making money online by selling digital products? You can launch an online store and sell goods on marketplaces like Redbubble, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Printful. To start making money, you can start selling physical goods or digital products. The actions to take to begin making money from online product sales are as follows. Choose your products. Decide on the things you wish to offer and make sure they connect with your interests and principles. When choosing items, take into account variables including demand, profitability, and competition. Once more, it might be one or more tangible or digital products. Select your sales channels. Think about the websites you want to use to market your products. E-commerce sites like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy, or social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Source your products. Choose a method for acquiring the goods you intend to market. Will you produce the digital goods yourself, or you're going to hire freelancers? Will you be producing the actual goods yourself if you're intending to sell them online? Alternatively, you might use a drop shipping service or purchase your goods from a provider. Establish a brand. To help you differentiate yourself from the competition and gain the trust of your customers, establish your brand identity, which includes your name, logo, and website. Promote your goods. Promote your items through a variety of channels, including social media, blogs, search engines, email marketing, video marketing, and influencer marketing. Keep track of your marketing initiatives to determine what is effective and modify your plan as necessary. Order fulfillment. If you sell digital products, this is simpler and will typically be done automatically for you, requiring little to no additional work on your part. However, if you sell physical goods, you must ensure that orders are fulfilled promptly and professionally, including returns, shipping, and handling. Manage your finances. Monitor your revenue, costs, and earnings to ensure the long-term viability of your company. You may also need to think about things like insurance, taxes, and other legal obligations. You can start making money by creating a profitable internet business and selling things online by following these steps. Remember that opening an internet store takes commitment and hard work, but success is possible with the correct plan and execution. Number 2, join an affiliate marketing program. Revenue potential. Beginners can make up to $1,000, mid-level affiliates up to $10,000, and advanced affiliates $100,000 plus. Did you know you can earn money even while sleeping? Don't laugh. It is feasible to make a respectable living as an online passive income affiliate marketer. Making extra money as an affiliate marketer should be the perfect option for professionals. Affiliate marketing is the process by which a publisher or affiliate is paid for a product or service that they effectively promote to their audiences. The following actions can be taken to begin your affiliate marketing career and generate passive income online. Choose your niche. Decide on a certain commodity or service that you are enthusiastic about and well-versed in promoting. This might be anything from a niche market, like technology or the health and wellness sector, to a specific product line, like home goods or cosmetics. Make sure you start with a product you have some knowledge about. It will therefore be simpler for you to advertise the goods. Research affiliate programs. Seek for businesses in your niche that have affiliate programs available. Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, ClickBank, Rakuten Marketing, and Impact are a few well-liked choices. There are many more options available. Sign up for affiliate programs. Apply to become an affiliate when you've identified a few programs that interest you. Before applying, make sure you have read and comprehended the terms and conditions of each program. Create content. Start creating content such as blog entries, videos, or social media updates that advertise the goods or services you are an affiliate for. Make sure your readers will find value in your high-quality material. Use affiliate links. Provide links in your content that point readers to the goods or services you're promoting. You will receive a commission when a customer clicks on one of your affiliate links and completes a purchase. Keep an eye on your outcomes. Monitor your affiliate sales and profits to determine which offers and goods are most successful. Make better use of this information to enhance your affiliate marketing plan and optimize your content. Remain compliant. Pay attention to the policies and procedures of the affiliate networks you participate in, particularly the disclosure clauses about product promotion as an affiliate. You may start making money with affiliate marketing and develop a profitable affiliate marketing business by following these steps. Remember that affiliate marketing calls for perseverance and patience, yet success is achievable with hard work and commitment. Number 1. Take up freelance work revenue potential. up to $5,000 plus monthly on average, based on your expertise, experience, and effort. One of the most well-liked strategies to boost revenue is to become a freelancer. Professionals with expertise in web development, copywriting, graphic design, or digital marketing, to mention a few, will find this even more feasible. You may begin by creating a strong online presence and signing up for business-related social media sites like Behance and LinkedIn. You can also look for projects created just for you by visiting these useful websites. Fiverr, the best platform for social media, digital marketing, and site creation. TopTal, ideal for project managers, product developers, financial specialists, and software developers. Solid Gigs, the greatest for marketing, writing, web development, graphic design, and site design. Upwork, the best platform for programming, branding, and site design. FlexJobs are ideal for content marketing, copywriting, and transcription. The following are some actions you can take to make money as a freelancer. Identify your skills and niche. Assess your strengths and the services you can provide. This could involve anything from writing, programming, graphic design, or video editing to acting as a virtual assistant for data entry. Clients will find you more appealing if you concentrate on a particular field in which you have experience and are passionate. Create a portfolio. Create an online portfolio, social media profile, or website to display your work and abilities. Simply locate the necessary resources online to complete this task for free. This will demonstrate to prospective customers what you are capable of and how knowledgeable you are. Register on freelance websites. Many sites, such as People Per Hour, Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, to mention a few, facilitate the connection between freelancers and clients. List the services you provide in your profile. Make sure to include all relevant information on your profile, such as your rates, talents, and job experience. Remember to include a link to your pertinent portfolio as well. Make connections and promote yourself. Inform the people in your network that you are looking for a freelancing job. Participate in online forums and organizations, post your portfolio and services on social media, and go to industry-related events and seminars. Provide high-quality work. As soon as you begin receiving clients, make sure to provide high-quality work promptly. By doing this, you'll enhance your reputation and raise the likelihood of receiving recommendations and repeat business. Establish competitive prices. Establish the appropriate fee for your services. Examine other freelancers' fees in your industry while taking into account your experience level, the project's time and effort requirements, and the demand for your services. Handle your finances. Make sure you budget for taxes and keep tabs on your earnings and outlays. It can be necessary for you to think about getting insurance to safeguard both your company and yourself. These are just a few examples. The techniques you use will be determined by your time, interests, and skill level. Whichever approach you decide on, success depends on your ability to comprehend the market, conduct thorough research, and maintain persistence. We hope you find this video helpful. Kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe button to see more of our upcoming videos. Enjoy the process.